Thank you for tuning in to K Couture Design Inc. This is the channel where you get to see all those beautiful, amazing home tours. Yes, finally, I have revealed myself. This is the young lady who has designed those homes. And I thought, with some input from family and friends, to finally show my face to all of you fans, and also for those who are first timers and tuning into my video. I thought maybe this is the way to, I guess, improve my videos by showing who I am and getting familiarized with me, and also, so that everyone knows who it is designing these homes. Well, today I do have another treat, another home design tour. This one is going to be different, and from here on out it will be like this. Thank you again for tuning in to K Couture Design Inc. Home Tours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of my amazing videos. Thanks for watching.